3, 2, 1.
In March 1981, Vivienne Westwood presented her first runway show in London, introducing which famous collection? The answer is A, the Pirate Collection. Which stage of development is a period during which apoptosis is widespread and plays a crucial role? The answer is A, embryonic. What is the unit of digital data storage capacity called? The answer is B, byte. What is Vivienne's surname in the film Pretty Woman? The answer is C, Ward. What type of soup is the popular Italian soup minestrone? The answer is D, vegetable soup. In Major League, in the tiebreaker game for the playoffs against the NY Yankees, the Indians are down 2-0 before Serrano hits a 2-run homer to tie. The answer is B. In what inning did Serrano hit his homer? A beaker containing 50 milliliters of ice is placed on a windowsill. After several hours, the ice melts. What property of the ice did not change when it melted? The answer is A, the mass. What is the study of the behavior and characteristics of living organisms called? The answer is B, biology. A person can grow cabbage in January with the help of what product? The answer is A, greenhouse. Behaviors that occur naturally and are not learned are called what? The answer is D, innate. Where did Bob Newhart live as a child? The answer is D, Oak Park. Labor is the muscular contractions to expel the fetus and placenta from where? The answer is D, uterus. Which game features a world of Pokémon to catch and train? The answer is D, Pokémon. Which color represents Batman's suit according to DC Comics? The answer is D, black. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium are classified as what type of metals? The answer is C, alkaline earth metals. Which acid releases nitrates into soil? The answer is A, uric. Which philosopher advocated a life of pleasure and freedom from pain? The answer is A, Kant. What are the most successful organisms on Earth?
The answer is A, bacteria.
I have no bones, but I'm still a skeleton of fashion. What am I? The answer is D, shoes. How old was Jim Brown when he retired from the Cleveland Browns?
The answer is D, 30.
Who plays the character of Sue Ellen Crandall on the comedy movie Don't Tell Mom the Babysitters Dead?
The answer is B, Christina Applegate.
Who developed the first web browser? The answer is D, Mark Zuckerberg. What was the last name of the characters played by Meryl Streep and Dustin Hoffman in a 1979 drama? The answer is A, Kramer. Who holds the record for longest fingernails on a pair of hands, female?
The answer is B, Ayanna Williams.
What is a true statement about all foods? The answer is C, all foods provide nutrients. Which of these producers has Chris Brown worked with?
The answer is C, all of these.
Which animal has no bones? The answer is A, starfish. In which U.S. state is the City of Truth or Consequences located? The answer is D, New Mexico. How many players are on a soccer team?
The answer is C, 11.
For whom was U.S. pilot Francis Gary Powers traded? The answer is A, Rudolph Abel. Which theory suggests that the optimal level of government spending to stimulate economic growth is greater during a recession? The answer is B, Keynesianism. What did the Crane brothers bid on during a silent auction benefiting homeless cats in the Frasier show? The answer is C, a lunch with Nobel Prize winners. What is the smallest unit of matter that still retains its chemical properties? The answer is A, atom. The inability of a once-breathing organism to function can be described as? The answer is D, a state of being dead. What does URL stand for in computing? The answer is B, Universal Resource Locator. Which author wrote The Wild Swans? The answer is B, Hans Christian Andersen. Which substance is used in fire extinguishers to put out Class B fires? The answer is C, potassium bicarbonate. Mount Elbrus is located in which continent? The answer is B, Africa. What is the name of the ship that Christopher Columbus sailed on his first voyage? The answer is A, the Santa Maria. How permeable is the cell membrane? The answer is A, it is semi-permeable. Which is an example of symbiosis? The answer is A tick feeding on a deer. What is the fastest planet in our solar system?
The answer is A, Mercury.
What is a compound that contains sulfur, oxygen, and hydrogen called? The answer is C, ammonia. Which supply is used for writing on the board? The answer is C, chalk. When was the first copper penny created? The answer is B, 1792. What is the name of Radiohead's vocalist Thom Yorke's first solo album? The answer is D, The Eraser. What is the name of the constellation that represents an archer? The answer is D, Scorpio. Which ocean touches the most number of countries?
The answer is B, Indian.
What is the process by which large particles, such as cells, are taken in by a cell? The answer is C, phagocytosis. What is the process by which plants convert sunlight into food?